Igbo Area TV on Igbo.
6 Yoruba celebrities that are married to Igbos. The intertribal marriages between some of our popular Nigerian celebs have shown that tribe or ethnicity is no barrier when it comes to love. So in this video, we will be taking a look at 6 Yoruba celebrities that are married to Igbos. Number 1, Zainab Balogun. In May 2018, Zainab Balogun tied the knot with Diko Nwachukwu, the founder of JetWest Airways. According to Zainab, she met her husband through a mutual friend, Chioma Omerua, and first time she met Diko, they had coffee together. According to her, she was not sure about a romantic relationship yet, so she suggested that they could be good friends. Over time, their bond grew stronger, and from there, they decided to tie the knot. Number 2, Segun Arinze. Segun Arinze is a Nigerian actor who is married to an Igbo woman known as Juliet, who hails from Oguta in Imo State. The couple celebrated their 12th wedding anniversary in 2020. I think Segun Arinze's mother is from Igbo, or his father, one of them is an Igbo. Number 3, Yomi Casual. Yomi Makun, who is popularly known by his business name Yomi Casual, is the younger brother of a popular Nigerian comedian A.Y. Ayo Makun. Yomi is a popular fashion designer married to Grace Amara Onuoha, an Igbo lady. They tied the knot on October 14, 2017. Number 4, Lola Omotayo Okoye. Lola Okoye is the wife of Mr. P, a former member of the P Square group. Lola is a Yoruba lady while her husband is an Igbo. Olumide Akada is the husband of a veteran Nollywood actress, Dakore Egbuson. Dakore Egbuson is an Igbo woman while her husband is a Yoruba man. Iretiola Doyle. Iretiola Doyle is a Nigerian actress from Ondo State and is married to Patrick Doyle, an Igbo man. What's your thought on this? Drop your comment on the comment section of this video.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.